Hey, what's up, gang? It's your boy Andy G from Swizzle here, and I want to give you an update about the zkLogin tutorial series because the landscape of Sui network is changing so fast that I realized I should be focusing on something else, and I'll tell you why. Because the first zkLogin wallet, oh, hold on, let me hold on. I've gotten jobs doing this before because people will be like, oh, you like our company? Basically, if this person, Carol, corrects this error and is happy to get more corrections, then that means that they are probably decent people and not a bunch of idiots. So that means it might be good to work for them. So I'm actually sort of testing this person by sending them this. But this is my contact at Surf Wallet there. They were nice enough to follow. And I'm realizing, okay, so basically they're the first zkLogin wallet on Sui Network. They won this some hackathon. When was this? When was this hackathon that they won? Okay, that's the KuCoin hackathon. Okay, oh, all right, yeah. I haven't been around for like several months around the ecosystem. It shows you that's why consistency is king. I mean, you really got to be consistent in this game, and anything you do, you've got to be consistent. So anyway, they created a zkLogin wallet. I tried it on my mobile phone here, and it worked great. I said this thing: jokes, tutorials, products, and Swizzle community updates. Tweets by founder's daughter, replies and DMs by founder. Swizzle strength by end of year, or I kill myself. And then I also doubled down on that. I said to EasyA here, I said, sweet, I'm still in the code for student for against strength. Needs to be done by the end of the year, or I kill myself. So thanks for building this course. I know what I said seems bad, like kill myself, but I just want to be clear. I'm talking about killing the account. I'm not talking about the founder. You know, I would have said, if it was me personally, I would have said, or the founder kills himself. Okay, so Swizzle spent by end of the year, or I kill myself, meaning that this account self-deactivates. Okay, so I'm not suicidal or anything like that. I was doing this tutorial series, and the whole point was building an app that has zkLogin, right? But I don't think you want to do that. I think what you want to do is you want to let the wallets implement this. I mean, we saw the zkLogin docs, right? You really want to do all that? You really want to do all this crypto? I mean, this is actual crypto. You really want to do all this, sending JWT tokens and salts and all this stuff? I don't. I decided I just don't. I want to focus on my game. I want to be a game developer. Ever since the year 2007, I was living in Arcata, California. I was homeless in the woods. Now I'm technically homeless as well because I've made some poor life decisions in the last several years, I guess. I have my daughter a couple days a week, and I do take her to cool, good places with the roof over her head and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about my daughter. She's good with her mom for most of the week, and then I'm there for like, I take her for the weekends, and we have an okay arrangement and everything. But yeah, I am actually a homeless person at this time. And I was back in the day too, except I was camping, and this time I'm like couch surfing, so to speak. Now it's like, I'm kind of serious about this. Like, I need to release my game, and like my daughter, I was showing her some NFT stuff, and she really likes them. It's funny, she actually said she likes my profile picture better than she likes my Typist Tales, my Tales by Typist thing. Honestly, though, I think this really does have some appeal to it. There's some real nice simplicity to this, and I kind of love it. And I have got to release my game. I shouldn't be messing around with like teaching like crypto, like teaching really advanced crypto stuff, because no one cares. If you're going to be a game developer, then I think what makes sense is like, don't kill yourself doing crypto. Instead, you should use crypto that other people roll. Don't roll your own crypto. And instead, just look, every single wallet in Sui is probably going to have zkLogin. So you might as well just use the Sui Wallet adapter and just let your apps use the zkLogin through the wallets instead of programming it yourself. Why do you need that responsibility? It's a huge amount of responsibility. If customers lose funds, you don't want them coming after you. You get less really burdensome legal responsibility as a game developer. And it's just, if I'm doing all this crypto zkLogin stuff, then I would be running a wallet there, and then I probably would have a fiduciary responsibility. So I'm going to let innovators like Surf Wallet and others be the ones who take that responsibility. I think if you're a game developer, that's probably your best bet. So I'm going to wrap up the zkLogin tutorial series by saying just let the wallets handle this stuff, guys. All right? That's, I think, the best advice. And let's shift gears and actually build a game. Okay, you gotta focus. I really gotta focus on one thing. I'm just one person. I don't have a team. I have people who've offered to like moderate my Discord and stuff like that. And I do kind of have a team. Like I have one person who's still like, I think technically part of the team, but they don't know how to code, and it's just sort of me building here. I'm just kind of doing this by myself. And so I think I need to just completely focus on the game. So that way I don't have to kill the brand here, anything like that. Everyone can just stay blessed. So let's build a game. All right, love you. Bye. Oh, I forgot to finish that story about being in Arcata and doing the game thing. I started collecting trash and trying to build games out of it. I ended up with this kind of innovative wind-resistant checker or chessboard design using bottle caps and wine bottle corks. Being in Northern California, if you're familiar with Humboldt County or Arcata, you know it's sort of an outdoorsy area. It's where a lot of redwood forests are, a lot of hippies and outdoorsy people. And so you go to the park and there people would just be kind of sitting around sometimes, and it'd be nice to have some games, but it's also kind of windy sometimes there, so it'd be hard to play a regular chess or checkers game. So chess and checkers and board games have been a passion of mine because people found my games actually useful as far as being able to play. You take the cork and you put it in the bottle caps. There's one bottle cap on each square, and then they don't blow away in the wind. So stuff like that. I've always liked building cool games, and I had this idea of being a big game maker and doing this big game giveaway at the park, and I guess I just sort of got lost in the long strange trip of life and never really fulfilled that. And here, this could be a way for me to give away more games than ever possible using the power of a globally available public ledger, such as Sui Network. So that's the story. I sort of never really did a really massive game giveaway in 2008, and here it is 15 years later, and maybe I'm just trying to really still make that out of my life, and instead of killing this brand, which got blown up with bots so that people don't even interact with me anymore, even though I have 13,000 followers. But who knows? Maybe it's possible to become great again. You know, we can make Andy and Swizzle and these games and everything great again. Let's get it.